South Africa's COVID-19 related death toll has increased by a further 173. This brings the total fatalities to 3,199. The number of infections is fast approaching the 200,000 mark. The Health Ministry says infections now stand at 196,750 after the country recorded a spike of 8,773 new cases. Gauteng alone accounts for 71 deaths recorded in the last 24 hours. 40 other deaths were recorded in the Western Cape, 29 in the Eastern Cape, 21 in KwaZulu-Natal, 10 in the Free State and 2 in the Northern Cape. Gauteng has also surpassed the 60,000 mark with a total of 63,404 confirmed cases at the moment. Well, that's an increase of 4,031 since the last report. The pattern in the province is in line with the projections that Gauteng will become the epicenter on COVID-19 infections.